This is definitely better than the one in Kathmandu.
Yeah, it's totally. I think it's worth it. I don't know.
Yeah. It's way better.
Pissed off anymore.
So that's the this.
It looks like an open museum.
That's yeah. So that's the big bell of.
That's the bell.
And this one is the dog's bell because when they how do you say knock the bell? Mm-hmm. The dogs bark.
So they call it the dog's bell.
So the dog's bell or the barking bell.
I wanna play. Do you think they're gonna kick me off?
There's no dogs.
Do you think they're gonna kick me off?
I think so.
Because they do that bell, the big bell, was built by the last emperor, and they do it in processions and for the temple and for the goddess. But nowadays they do it twice.
Twice a day.
For the god.
What's the name of the god?
Yeah. So back to what we were saying about the festival today. This is what women do. Men play the instruments and woman goes around with this...
Breaking the eggs.
I don't know, it looks like eggs with flowers and some food. Look, I'm gonna try to get close. Yeah, it's food, it's rice and fruits and flowers and cookies. So it's a very interesting day because people are like, everybody's out, and who else is not out? It's at their windows, looking at what's happening.
I know.
Ooh, looks like it's gonna rain. More rain is coming for my happiness.